Hey guys, so I just woke up. It's about 9:03 right now. I'm gonna be going to the gym in an hour, and then first I gotta make my pre-workout shake. Hey, what's up guys? This is Austin McCarty, and I just figured that I should give you guys a little bit of an intro for this channel. A little bit about me is I'm 18, I'm in high school, I'm a senior, and I've been in the bodybuilding game, powerlifting game for about 4 years, since 9th grade. And really I just created this channel as a way to track my progress sort of, and give you guys some quality content and hopefully share some of my experiences with you. And I hope you guys enjoy. Hey, what's up guys? I'm doing a back and shoulder workout today. And as you can see, I'm starting off with deadlifts. A lift I actually haven't done in over probably 5 months now due to a lower back injury. Basically at one point I was low bar squatting and deadlifting just way too much, way too frequently. Wasn't letting my body rest and giving it enough time to recover. And on top of that, I didn't know how to engage my core in these lifts, so my lower back really compensated and took all of the weight, which really wasn't that great for it, obviously, because that led to a bunch of muscle spasms and really stuff that just needed to be taken care of by physical therapy and rolling it out every day, stretching every day. And so I'm finally getting back into this. As you can see here, I got 2 plates on. I really had no idea what I was going to be hitting today as far as reps. But yeah, went up to 3 plates, 315 on the bar. And this felt relatively easy. I was doing it without a belt just to help my strength even more, not rely on the belt yet. And I believe after this I went up to 365, but I didn't film that, just to kind of warm up, ease my way up to 4 plates, which was my previous max actually. And I was really surprised. I pulled this for 5 reps, and 5 months ago when I was actually deadlifting consistently, I pulled it for, I believe 1 or 2. It may have been my max. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the workout.